Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. As you can see, we're in the computer room, and I promised that I would show you what's inside of this: the home and garden space heater. Let me put some glasses on here. Okay. First, I'll take this grill off. Screw can go there. It's your basic grill with a screen-like thing inside. And we've got a bunch of Phillips screws here. And when I say a bunch of Phillips screws, I mean it's got way more than rationally needed. But you know how it is. They save money on the cost of the important parts, so they can spend it on a lot of screws. Yeah! And like I said, a lot of screws. A lot of screws. That's a better view. And don't worry about these screws that I seem to be cavalierly sending around the computer room. I'll find them, mostly with my foot. Now this we had for 2 years, going on 3, and it just died. It just died. Of course, this is the one from the front half of the house where it had the living room, the kitchen, and Christy's bedroom to heat.
24 hours a day.
Yeah, almost 24 hours a day.
That's all we got.
And there was some controversy as to whether or not the dog could get his leg high enough so he could water this thing. I don't see any signs of dog whiz inside. Aren't I lucky?
I think that might be TMI, baby. Sorry.
Like I said, lots and lots of screws. Hey, uh-huh. You guessed it. Ah! More screws. Come on, you.
Short.
Yeah.
Should go back to Safeway, see if any of those hearts are left. Maybe they marked them down lower.
There's 3 more of these to go. Hey, babe.
Yes, dear?
You know the garbage can?
The one in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be putting stuff in it. Maybe you could drag it here.
Oh,
I'll drag it back.
okay. Well, it's not very empty.
Oh.
However, if you push it down,
Yes.
people fail to do. Got some room. Not much.
Yeah. Ta-da.
Something that laid it down.
Thank you, baby.
Is this okay?
Yes,
I
that's
gotta
perfect.
sit down, babe.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm singing the geriatric mumble.
Oh, you mean the old age song? Ow, that hurts. Ow, it won't move. Hey. Uh. Okay. It's become a situation where I come around, or should I say I go around, popping this out. I guess I can do that. I'm sort of poppy. Whoa, bad, even for me. I know. Hey, I hit the garbage with it. And don't tell me, let me guess. More screws. And that won't go in there. I guessed wrong. There. Ta-da. Ow. Aha! I see something. Well, that was deceptively easy. Ah! Okay, now. Okay. More screws.
I hate to say it, but don't forget you got cat box. Get a later. Oh,
Uh-huh. Ah. Okay. Well, I mean, dismantling is something. Just plain get it apart. Ah. Come out of there, you. Oh, the hell with this. Comes time we just gotta say the hell with the niceties. There. Now I can get out some screws. I'm sure I'm glad I'm not a guy who has to service these. You know, actually fix them. Because these weren't made to be repaired. These are made to be used up and thrown away. Yes, they were. Uh-huh. And snip here in the way. That one's out. Okay. Hey, stuff is starting to lift a little bit on one end. I'll come back to that. Ah, ah. And there's a screw down. And probably the one I absolutely need to unscrew to get this mechanism out of here. And Christy, your mommy wants you. Yeah. Things are starting to come apart now. Circuitry. Oh boy, screws. Uh. Uh. Hey. Ah. More wires that wanted to be cut. Hey, hey, ah. Okay. Now, more screws. It's gotten down to the point where two unimportant little ones holding some really unimportant crap in place is what's keeping me from getting to the rest of it, you know? Deceptive design. Okay, more screws. I mean, I swear that there is some kickback going on the purchase of screws for this project. It's almost like they didn't want this thing to come apart. More screws! You ever watch Shrek? Well, Home and Garden's space heater is like an onion. And they aren't all easy to get out. If they're not hidden, they're just difficult to turn. Hey, that finally came out. I see no more screws, but this is impossible because this stuff isn't coming out yet. And if all the screws are out, it should be coming out now, right? Okay. At the moment, I've got everything out. But this little circuit board and this motor, which opens and closes these louvers here. Let's see. Yeah, this is the other end of that louver control. Hey, just grabbed it in the wrong place, that's all. Another screw. Well, that's that for that. And got another screw here. Oh, one of the doors just fell off. Ow! That hurt. Bounced me right up. Ooh, no. Maybe aluminum. Might have to keep this nearby. See, finally in the end, they all just fall apart. They surrender, say, I don't want to fight no more. And another screw. Ta-da! And that's the display. Okay. Now this empty, useless shell. Ta-da! Okay, and this is a connector. All right, now let's see what was in this thing. Here's the display, right? Darn, it went right way over the garbage. Didn't even touch it. Okay, now to look at the other side of this circuit board, I've got to undo a couple of screws. And to keep in with tonight's main theme, a brandy driver. Oh, that's good. Ah. Okay, there's plastic under the top cover. This is right there, that's a neodymium iron magnet. Neodymium. No. Anyway, that's the switches on the top of the unit. And the circuitry. Boing. Now I wonder if I can get this magnet out without destroying it. Hey, it wants to come. There! Neodymium magnet. I don't think I scratched the nickel. Yeah, you can beat skill, but you can't beat luck. Boom! Added to my magnet collection there on that angle iron. Okay, now. More screws. Ah. Christy, Mommy wants you. Again. Hey, okay. And we got this. This. It looks like some capacitors and some relays. You know, these sort of look like relays. These are pretty much, I think, capacitors. And there's some surface mount crap. Okay, another circuit board. And guess what? A screw. Black plastic. Potted a couple of these. I don't think she can hear you. And if she can, she just ain't going to answer, I guess. I don't know. Okay, and here's another circuit board. Got capacitors, a transformer, some kind of diode. I don't know if it's a MOSFET or SRC, but there, that's that. Hey, what actually got in the garbage? Can't lose them all. Bill Dana. In his routine, the boxer asked him how he could explain a 1 in 49 record. And he said, you can't lose them all. You know, they count your wins first. 1 in 49. You can't win. You can't lose them all. Hey, and what are you? Oh, a couple of little switch buttons. Ain't that special? Okay, now we're getting into the heart of the matter here. The heart. Bloodum, 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 bloodum. Okay. A screw. I really wanted this part to stay in there. 4 screws. Come on, you. Quit slipping up. This is what I hate the most about Phillips. You can't really count on a positive connection. Okay, that is loose. Yeah, I was going to unscrew this one earlier. I guess I'll have to unscrew it now. It's between the motor and this squirrely cage. There's the motor. There's the squirrely cage. Hey. And guess what? Ooh, that swings aside, which don't help me for getting it detached. I think I see those some of those bayonet attachments here. And of course they're in a place where it's hard to get at. Yeah, that's a bayonet attachment. Yeah. You just don't want to come out of this end until you screw. Wait a minute. Maybe I can brute force this. There. Ta-da. Okay. That's just useless plastic crap. Oh, excuse me. Synchronous motor. Okay. Now, useless crap. Synchronous motor. This is a ceramic block heater. Don't know if it's good or not. Might test it. Might not. I don't know. I may not care. I'm gonna test this fan motor. Hey, more screws. Yeah. Damn, 4 screws, and they've got them capturing tabs, you know, like bayonet. Which I can understand that because this is the water tank. It would blow water vapor into the room in the summertime. It was pathetic. Okay. Oh, 4 of them. 4 of these damn bayonet fittings. No, 3. I'm sorry. And silicone rubber might be plastic. Ew, that's nasty. Ew. And we only use it with water once. What's that tell you about Clear Lake water? Don't know what that is. Don't specially care either. No, I don't. More screws. And switch. Looks like it might be a mercury. It might be a thermal. Have to look at it further. Further.
I get some more money next month with a lower electric bill, but I'm holding my breath.
Hey, finally! Coffee. Okay, now, here's the squirrely cage. Notice it's long. Okay, like I said, this is the ceramic block heater. This is the motor that ran that squirrely cage. Right here. That might be good. And there's a synchronous motor to open and close those vanes. Okay. Okay. Ow! This might be worth keeping. I think this is an ultrasonic horn. That's metal. And this is the ultrasonic horn. The humidifying feature used of that. And here's another piece of circuit board with incomprehensible crap on it. Now, for these. Well, I'm not going to try and claw them out, but see, this right here, that's extruded aluminum. It's inside both of these louvers that shut when you turn the thing off. Obviously, they intended to not melt the louvers if warm air was still coming out of the... Here's some kind of connector. Excuse me. I'm going to have to explore. Then again, maybe not. I don't know. Well, gang, that's basically what's inside Better Homes and Gardens heater.
Like stepping on that. Thank you.
Okay, gang, I'm back. I got all the plastic parts from this thing into the garbage except for the two bulkiest of the casing parts. They go out next week. Now, what did we get? Oh, for those of you that are wondering, this isn't backwards engineering or, how's it work? It don't work. It's dead. I just take it apart showing you what was inside. This is a 24 volt DC. Whoa. This may be good. This could be power feed for the cross feed on my shear line. Never know. And here we got, drop it on the floor, that'll make it better. A synchronous motor, 2P, AC 100 to 127 volt, 50 cycles. Ew. Metric. Well, here's another one of them. Oh, 50 or 60 hertz, different. Okay, universal. Okay. This is die cast, feels like pot metal. The ultrasonic horn for the humidifier was there. This is some composite, it's a weight, silicone rubber. The motor that spun that squirrely cage, and the ceramic block heater. I don't know, what all this is any good. Here's some kind of switch. Looks like it might be either magnetic or maybe a tiny, tiny mercury. I don't know. Anyway, there that is. You make up your own mind. Okay. And here's what it's all about. Scientific evidence proves the universe does revolve around me. You understand that? I'm the center. All hail Poppy.
Illusions of grandeur, kid. Excuse them, folks.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Tell all your friends to subscribe to my channel because I'm hilarious, believe it or not.
Sure you like the comment?
That's okay. YouTube screens out all the nasty stuff. They don't let those words go by on their comments.
Type them. You type them and they won't let you print them, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly. YouTube don't let those nasty words come over in the comments. Anyway, this is what's inside a Home and Gardens space heater. It was nice for almost 3 years, but it got overworked and it died. Anyway, good night from California.